hell on the mushroom stump. I got my...
Okay, so I came out here the other day. Steve had the water running out in front, and I was going to change it to back here, and we did, and there was no water pressure out there, so I thought, well, it was a sprinkler. So I took the nozzle off the sprinkler head, and there was some debris in there, so I cleared that out. And I came back over here, and I found out that there was zero pressure in the tank. So I took the, I went down, checked the pressure switch, and this is a new one, but I just put that on there, and I'll show you the old pressure valve switch. That. Jeez. See, these are all burnt. I don't know if you can see that or not, but they're fried. So I went down, like I said, I went down and got a new pressure switch. I put it on, and then I put the breaker on, and it pumped up, and it went up to 65 pounds of pressure. And then I went and turned the sprinkler on, and it just went right down to zero, and it never kicked in. The pressure switch didn't kick in, and so I was wondering what the heck is going on here. And then I took the cover off of this, and had to reset there's two breaker switches under here, and this is 1.5 volt or horsepower, and it says on the deal it's 1 to 1.5 horsepower pump. And what this does, it keeps the pump from getting overheated, protects it, and then these they call them let me think about that. They call that a, yeah, never mind. I'll think of it in a minute. You can edit that in. So I shut the breaker off. I turned it on, and this thing started buzzing, and it's not doing anything right now. So they said to go and make sure before you pull your pump to change this whole unit out. So I went down and bought another unit. So I'm going to put that unit on. I'm going to video it just for my own record. And if we put it online, we put it online. If we don't, we don't. I don't care. That's not up to me. Make sure that the power is off. Shut the power off in the breaker. Make sure that's off before you touch any of these wires. That is 230 amp coming through here, and that's not a joke. So I don't know if it's this box, but I'm taking it off anyway. Let's see if I can get everything else off of here. Get this box off there. Maybe I can. Alright. Get that off of there. Get this off of here. I hope this works, because if not, I don't know what to do. I guess the pump might be bad. Well, that's all twisted in there. That's what the hell problem was with that. Looks good. You just know, just where hold it. What is it? We're gonna take the pressure anywhere. Put this back together. Just like that. Okay, well, put this monster up in here. Please. Yeah. This. That is not pretty. Good thing about that. Take it on tight. Pretty tight. Take it on tight. Again. Focus on this. Alright, large. Now, let's make this. Stretches. Let's make it better than this. Let's make it better than this. What can you do? Alright, that one. Make sure we tighten there. And we'll switch down. Yep, get it away. Get it away. There. Do the green one. That one. Just gotta get a little twisty to get started. Make sure we connect to each other. So like, get here. What the hell? It's not like that one. There, tighten down now. Let's that one. Now I have too long. Switch on this one there. Okay, that's a good one. That's making some sense. Just don't want to make a mistake here. Put that on there. There. Put that on there. Now, there's green wire. Let's put it down here. It attaches to the ground over here. So just attach that to the ground. Let's see. There. That's on. Now what's left is to the pump. And we have yellow. Yellow. Let's do it in there. Yellow. Let's do the pump. There. Black. Let me tighten this up a little bit. Little black. And red. We are hooked up. Now, number one, number two, blah, 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 blah. Looks good to me. All right, so I guess we can make sure that box is on there right and fire it up. I hear something. There, it clicked. Something happened. Something ain't right. You don't like it. Oh man, I hope that pump ain't bad. It's not liking it. Something's wrong. Fuck. Ow! Something's not right in the pump. God. That thing's 400 feet deep. Great. That's just great. I ain't doing that this year. Dirty son of a bitch. Well, go tell Steve the bad news.
There's a bridge, and it is wide. It's what keeps us together, and it's the reason we divide. Some days it's strong, some days it's weak. Some days days it's narrow and a little out of reach. Some choose to build it up, some choose to tear it down, leave it to ruin, say this world's come to unwound. There's a high road that stands above what we have lost, 'cause all bridges are meant for us to cross. There's a bridge, and it is long. Every passing conversation is a choice of right or wrong. It's who we are now, not what we've done. It stands tall above the rivers that flow to who we love. Some go the distance, some choose to stay behind. It's the changing of your heart that will open up your mind. There's a high road that stands above what we have lost, and all bridges are meant for us to cross. The longer that we wait, the harder it'll be tomorrow. There's no guarantee how much time we have to borrow. There's a bridge from you to me. If we don't work to hold it steady, it'll break beneath our feet.